everyone, and welcome back to Ajastro Money Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on various commodities. I'm Neena, and today we're diving into a significant geopolitical development that could truly shake up the crude oil and gold markets. We're talking about the proposed US-Gaza ceasefire. This is a big one, folks, and it has the potential to really shift the dynamics we've been observing. Here's the breakdown. The United States has put forward a 60-day ceasefire proposal for Gaza. We understand that Israel has conditionally agreed to this plan, which is a crucial step. The ball is now in Hamas's court as they continue to evaluate the offer. This proposed deal isn't just about a pause in conflict, it also includes a substantial prisoner, hostage exchange, and the much-needed resumption of humanitarian aid. These elements are key to de-escalating the situation. So what does this mean for the markets we follow so closely? If this ceasefire is accepted and truly takes hold, we anticipate a significant easing of geopolitical tensions across the Middle East. And that, in turn, is highly likely to lead to reduced volatility in the crude oil markets. For a while now, crude prices have been influenced by regional instability, so any move towards peace could bring a welcome period of calm. Now, let's talk about gold. Gold prices have seen considerable support recently, largely due to ongoing geopolitical uncertainties. If the tensions in the Middle East begin to subside, we could see the stability weigh on gold prices, potentially triggering some corrective moves. However, and this is important to remember, the immediate term might still see some market volatility. Why? Because the uncertainty surrounding Hamas's final response is still very much present. Until we have a firm answer, markets will likely remain on edge. For all you commodity traders out there, my advice is to keep a very close eye on these developments. Any concrete agreement on this ceasefire could certainly trigger notable corrective movements in both crude oil and gold. Being informed and prepared will be key. We'll continue to monitor this situation closely and bring you updates as they happen. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your trading community, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our crucial analyses. That's all for today from Ajastro Money Guru. Thank you for tuning in and happy trading.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ, सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।